All right, kids. So as always, I share my Shopify results from my store on Shopify, my print-on-demand store, that you guys can certainly create yourself. I don't know why you haven't. If you have, let me know down below if you've used that Shopify trial link and started to build your own store. But I will flip this around and hope you've all been well, and I will show you these results. This is my Shopify account, and if you are new here, I've been making money online for close to 25 years with affiliate marketing, with Shopify, with drop servicing, you name it. Your cash cow has pretty much done it all. So I preach Shopify because I think it's the easiest thing for you guys to get involved with on the print-on-demand type stuff. You could even create a drop servicing website in Shopify. To each is his own, right? So anyway, I am right here in my account. This is today, and we've done $83.40 in sales. But let's go to, and let me refresh this, guys. And I'll also show you the website I am talking about, the Shopify store I'm talking about. This is it. It's tittiesgolf.co. And I know it looks daunting and this, that, and the other. And guys, it's not. Again, I did this almost a year ago. I was just doing this as a case study to show you guys that anything is possible. I'm not a rocket scientist. I know I look like it, but I'm not. So that's the website, guys. And I'm just selling hats. And yes, I designed all these products, but we'll get into that in another video. It's so simple to design the products, guys. But that's not what this video is about. So let me, okay, I refreshed that. Let's go to, hang on. And guys, this is actually one of the worst months that I've had in several months. The reason why this number is down 16% from the previous month is because we're running ads, and I started doing a Performance Max campaign along with a standard shopping campaign. We were doing an experiment. We thought we had it built up enough data. In turn, I don't think we did, so we shut it off for a couple weeks, or maybe a week, and now it's starting to perform somewhat better. Not great, but we'll get there. My goal this month is to generate $15,000 in sales, which would generate me, after ad spend, would generate about $6,000, $7,000 in pure profit per month. So we've been close. We did 12 grand, close to 12 grand a couple months ago. So I know it's possible. And I'm trying to also learn more about TikTok ads. I placed an ad yesterday for TikTok, and unfortunately we spent like $15 and we got one click. So I'm going to have to figure that out. I've never done TikTok ads until now. I've got one of my subscribers, Tim. You're the best, dude. He's been helping me out with not only TikTok ads, but also Google ads as far as the tracking and conversion tracking and all that goes, because I'm not the best when it comes to that. I won't lie. And if you're new to this channel, I don't feel you full of any baloney, guys. I show you exactly what it takes to make money online. I show you my ad spend, blah, 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 and that's what I'm going to show you right here. So we did $9,433.05 in the month of August, and if we go over to, and then we'll go to statistics, and then we will go to, and guys, I haven't even done this yet, and I know I should, but I have a general idea of what I make every single day. So this is the profit, guys, but that's not pure profit, because we have to go over to Google Ads, as we always do, to see what last month. I think we spent like 1,060. Okay. So last month, guys, we spent 1,030. So we'll just call it a grand, $1,000. So $1,000 minus this number right here, we'll just call that 4,200. So the website profit did $3,200, which I know that's not a lot of money. I know it's a lot of money to a lot of you. You see the life that I live on the beach, and I've moved to Mexico, and it's all because of, well, it's due to, a lot of it has to do with this store, but my affiliate marketing and all that stuff combined, guys, it adds up to a lot of money. And I'm not sitting here trying to make millions of dollars or telling you that you can make millions of dollars. I've done that years ago. Multi-millions I've made, but I've come to the realization in this crazy place we call a world, guys, that I don't need a lot of money to live. I mean, for me to live the life that I live right now, I don't need any more than $3,000 a month. And it's one of the reasons why I moved to Mexico. For one, because America's freaking crazy. And I'm not saying that Mexico is perfect. I'm still figuring it out. You guys, if you've seen my shorts, you've seen all that. I live a pretty darn good life. And if I could make, $3,000 to $7,500 a month, I'm ecstatic. I'm fine. So yeah, I get off on tangents, guys. I apologize, but I just want you guys to know, if I can do this, you can certainly do this. And again, this website was done almost a year ago. I started advertising it like on September 18th of last year. The site has done almost $70,000 in sales, maybe like 65,000, I think. This was just a case study for you guys, and it's become what it's become. And now, guys, if I want, I can sell this website for close to probably $90,000 on Flippa. I'm not going to sell it until probably next year because I want to get all the holiday sales, because these are great, Christmas items for people, et cetera, et cetera. And I'm making, $100 to $250 a day in profit. So there's no reason to sell it right now. And as every day goes forward, guys, I always say that you guys are building an asset. So when I started building this website, I knew at some point down the road, if I can make it profitable, someone's going to want to buy it. So it's an asset, guys. Just, you have to look at it that way. Just know that, and if it doesn't work out, move on to the next thing. I've said that a million times too. Not everything I do, not every website or Shopify store that I create is a success. You have to try, guys. I cannot urge you enough. And I will help you too. I'm trying to go live on YouTube every Friday morning, and I know it's early for a lot of you, so I might be changing the time. But we've built a little community in there, guys, where we help one another. We bounce ideas off one another. I might know something that you don't know, and you might know something that I don't know. So I urge you to subscribe to the channel so you could be involved in those live streams. It's very valuable, and I love the people that are on there every day, and I hope that I could see some new faces in there, as I am trying to grow this channel. And we'll get there eventually. But anyway, guys, as always, I just wanted to share my Shopify results with you. What did I say? It was like $3,200 last month in pure profit. And then you throw Kartra on top of that. That's another $2,000. You see where I'm going, guys. So hope you all have a wonderful day wherever you are in this crazy place we call a world. And I will see a lot of you on the live stream. If not, I am going to be trying to make one new long-form video once a week, if not twice, but I am committing to one, and that'll probably be on Mondays, and either Monday or Tuesday of every week, along with the live stream on Friday morning But again, I might change those times. So anyway, I love you all. And again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please help your cash cow out and subscribe to the channel, and so we can get this content pushed out to the rest of the world. Anyway, love you all. Peace.